Welcome back. You're with Tangata Pasifika. The Samoan Sports Awards for 2008 have the best of the best from our Samoan sports stars here in New Zealand. But 2008 was also the year a special mum was the star of the night. Atamaivia Johnson, the mother of the rock, Sayuli Dwayne Johnson.
I am thrilled beyond compare to be here tonight. Speaking as a mother, I believe that in the hearts of every athlete, there is a burning wish, a dream, an electrifying energy that separates the athlete from the others. I believe that success it doesn't come when you win. Success comes when you can inspire others by how you win. To all you phenomenal athletes, sons and daughters of Samoa, for all your hard work, here you are, the chosen few, in front of your families and your peers. We thank you, we honor you. God bless you. Thank you. It's because of my father that my son was inspired to wrestle. That means an awful lot to me because it makes him three generations. He's the third generation wrestler in our family. I have a granddaughter. She will not be the fourth generation. But very, very proud of Dwayne, and I know that he would be so proud to be here of his grandfather.
Back to the awards and Senior Sportswoman of the Year.
As captain of the World Cup Samoa netball team, Frances Solia led the side to number 5 in the world. Solia captained the Capital Shakers in 2007 and the Pulse for 2008. She's been selected to play for the Magic in 2009, and Solia comes from the villages of Faleolupo and Fasito'otai. Cheryl Scanlon was last year's winner of the Senior Sportswoman Award. She's a member of the Silver Ferns 2007 to 2008 squad and part of the team for last year's World Netball Champs. She played for the Northern Mystics in this year's ANZ Champs and hails from Salua Fata and Vaiala. Viola Timoteo Etuata is a stalwart of the Samoan bodybuilding team. She scooped 3 golds at this year's South Pacific Championships, making her the overall Women's South Pacific Champion. Viola hails from the villages of Mota'a and Pulea.
The winner of the 2008 Alcohol Advisory Council of New Zealand Samoan Senior Sportswoman of the Year Award goes to Viola Timoteo.
How does it feel to have won this award?
Just really proud for the sport of bodybuilding. You know, like I said, you work as an individual, but you've got a team behind you that's kind of, you know, supporting you all the way, you know, through the diet and through the training, the hard training as well. So, yeah.
Next up, Senior Sportsman of the Year.
DJ Forbes was named this year's IRB Sevens Player of the Year after leading New Zealand to the world title. The Player of the Year at the New Zealand Rugby Union Awards in 2007. He's also played for Counties Manukau in the Air New Zealand Cup. DJ hails from the village of Lepa. Ma'anonu was one of the best performing All Blacks in 2008. He's played in every All Black Test game this season and was part of the end-of-year Grand Slam winning team that also took out the Tri-Nations and Bledisloe Cup. Nonu comes from Vailele and Fasito'otai. Steve Matai has a reputation for his aggressive gameplay as a centre for the Manly Sea Eagles. In 2008, Manly took out the National Rugby League Premiership, and Matai was also part of the Kiwis winning team and the 2008 Rugby League World Cup. Matai is from the villages of Mulifanua and Apolima.
The winner of the 2008 Beethan Brothers Samoan Senior Sportsman of the Year Award goes to DJ Forbes.
How does it feel to have won this award tonight?
It's definitely like something special to me. I've been nominated for a few awards this year. I picked up a few, and I think this one I'll hold close to my heart. You know, being a proud Samoan, it's not many people notice it. I've got a Palangi surname, and I'm a lighter shade of brown. But you know, tonight will be special, and hopefully there'll be a few more people out there supporting me as a Samoan athlete.
One of the standout moments of the night came when a video message sent by The Rock himself played for the audience.
Hello everyone, good evening. I want to start by congratulating everyone on what is going to be an incredible night tonight. I also want to congratulate all the athletes for all your tremendous hard work and your dedication, and certainly for the awards that are going to be given out tonight too as well. I wish I could have been there tonight in your presence. Instead, my mom, Ata, is representing the family and certainly representing one of the inductees into the Hall of Fame, my grandfather, the great High Chief Peter Maivia. There is no substitute for hard work, and there is no substitute also for good education. And between hard work and education, you can literally move mountains. I also want to share that I had many, many fond memories of New Zealand when we lived in New Zealand, when I was a young kid, going to Richmond Road School, where I was introduced to meat pies and fruit pies. With that, I say tofa soifua, and also, as we say in Samoan, kupai.
But of course, what everyone wanted to know, will The Rock be coming to New Zealand? Is he planning to come to New Zealand?
You never know. He's been texting me every day. It's almost like he's here with me because he's, you know, telling me to relax, and, you know, he wants to know all about what's happening, so I'll be texting him later.
Not quite the answer everyone was looking for, but back to our last awards of the night. The Referee of the Year award went to long-serving boxing ref Lofipo Aliapakasi. And the Pacific Personality of the Year award was won by Cook Islands rugby player Koiatu Koiatu.
They say there can only be one winner.
The Sports Person of the Year is the overall winner of the Samoan Sports Awards. And this year's winner is
DJ Forbes.
It's the end of the night here, but we've had an awesome time. We've seen the best of the best in Samoan sports for 2008. So until next year, I'm Aaron Tauma for Tangata Pasifika.
It was just wonderful to hear the things that you had to say, and we feel like we're closer to your son now.
She wants to be close to your son. Say hello, Mary Jane. I'm not sure if The Rock said goodbye or kopai.